How to apply for tax credit in HMRC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to apply for tax credit in HMRC. So to apply for a tax credit in UK HM Revenue and Custom or HMRC, you typically need to follow this step. First of all, before applying, make sure to meet the eligibility criteria for the tax credit. Now, tax credit are means tested, so factors such as your income, number of child, and child care cost will affect your eligibility. So you can use the HMRC tax credit calculator to estimate how much you might entitle to and to check your eligibility as well. And after that, if you don't have an account, then create one. When you're done creating your account, then you need to complete the application. Start your tax application when you're logged in. So this account will allow you to manage your tax credit application and claim online. Once you've started the tax credit application, you'll need to provide details about the income, employment status, living arrangements, and any children you have. The application is typically completed online through HMRC website itself. Depending on your circumstances, HMRC may ask you to provide supporting documents to verify the information you've provided in the application, bank statement, proof of the child cost, or other relevant document as well. And after completing the application and providing any required documents, submitting your application to HMRC, you'll receive a confirmation once your application has been successfully submitted. Now, HMRC will review your application and access the eligibility for tax credit. Now, based on your information provided, you can review the award notice, manage your claims, and that's basically how you can apply for tax credit in HMRC. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.